Hey everybody, what's happening? Hope you're all doing well, having a great day, evening, weekend, Monday, Tuesday, whatever day it is out there. I just want to take a few minutes and show you how I'm creating some awesome capture pages, and I actually want to build a sweet, super hot capture page that can build you an email marketing list and grow your downline exponentially. This is what I'm doing. Um, so without further ado, I'm going to share my screen with you and get to work. As always, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I love it. Hashtag what up, hashtag online marketing, hashtag great content if you find this helpful. All right. Share your comments, especially if you're starting to be successful with these capture pages, and to actually get the system that helps me build these capture pages, click on below, and I'll make sure I have my Facebook so you can connect with me on Facebook, be a friend, and we can chat. I love to interact with people and share ideas. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen with you and show you how to build a super hot capture page. Whoops, I almost ended the meeting. Okay, so first of all, my platform I use is uh, the Conversion Pros. That is not the business that I promote. These are the tools I use. You can make money with the Conversion Pros. I have some affiliates, as you can see. I just got paid from the Conversion Pros today. So it is an affiliate marketing tool if you choose to use that and promote. Super easy, awesome funnel in here to pull people in. I want to show you how freaking simple it is to build a landing page. So I'm going to build one right for you. It is now 6:24 p.m. on my screen. 6:25. Let's get it. I want to show you how quick I can do this, though. 6:25 p.m. on June 1st, 2018. Happy June. I'm just going to go here to this little add button. All I did was click landing page builder. And I'm going to click this, hey, Mr. James Smiley, saying comments. I love his group. Get that out of there. Click add. We are going to create a template. These are all non-video. There's also video. Hey, James, man, you're blowing up my screen, buddy. Love you too. So you're going to start seeing all these. There we go. They're all loading 2 videos, 3 videos, side by side. I mean, you name it. I'm going to do a simple see-through one here. I clicked it. I literally say start editing, and watch this. I'm on my way. Boom. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is provide a background. So I'm going to pick a background image. You can upload images as well, just from the image website. You just pop it in there. I am a hybrid marketer. I'm growing my downline like crazy using hybrid methods with my team. So I like to talk about conversations and appeal to people that I think will really use my products, which are moms. Moms love our products, our niches in home goods. So I want to appeal to a mom who wants healthy, toxic-free, eco-friendly environment products to bring to into their home while making money, because that's what we do, and saving time with to have with their kids, because a hybrid marketer only has to do 10% of the work. So that's super cool. So that looks hot right there, right? Mom with her kid, laptop, but not really on the laptop, more focused on her kid because she has more time. See the visual imagery. I'll move this over here. Sorry, I'm bringing myself down there. The visual imagery alone is what makes these pages pop, right? So First thing you're going to notice, you have this custom screen, right? You want to drive people to a marketing campaign, an email autoresponder campaign, and the Conversion Pros has that, so I have all kinds of lists already built. So I'm going to bring it to that campaign. My redirect is going to go to, let me get out of this real quick. My redirect is going to go to one of my actually, you know what? I'm just going to have my redirect right now go to my Facebook page or to one of my thank you pages. I mean, you don't need to worry about that. Okay, so you can pick any redirect, and the redirect is this button here, right? Whatever your call to action is. You know, take a free tour, connect with me on Facebook. It brings you to, if you're an MCA, it'll bring you to your MCA sign up, or if you're promoting TCP, it'll bring you to, hey, get these tools that help me make this hot page, right? So again, I'm a hybrid marketer, and I want to now really make a appealing headline, right? Hybrid marketers have more time with the kids. I mean, I don't know. I could probably come up with something better, right? So now this is already preset, this color, right? Uncover our exclusive secret system that gives you back 90% of your time. How would you feel? I'm going to get rid of all this because this, sometimes when you do the image, it buries stuff in there, but you can see how easy, right? Look how easy this is. I mean, this isn't the best page in the world. I'm going to go back and tweak this. This is just for demo purposes. Now you literally pick your form settings. You can do simple, where it's just name and email. Whoops. You can do full, like address. I always say put in your email and phone number. If people want to give you a fake number, they're probably not that serious. If they want to give you a fake email, they're probably not that serious. So if you want to call your leads and it's Joe Blow and it was Dan that signed up, then Dan obviously isn't serious. So this alone will help weed people out, right? Think about it. So many people market with me and they're like, I just want to push a button, but if they're not willing, if a lead's not willing to give you the right information, and a lot of business is based on conversation, chances are that person's not serious. They're just hopping around from offer to offer. They don't want to talk to people. They just want to get links and promote them. And like, good luck to that kind of marketing. But in hybrid marketing, we believe in the high touch, the network marketing, and that's why we literally drive traffic to an online live meeting with our owner who puts in all the time and energy and has a conversation. So if people don't want to do that, then I don't want them on my team anyways. Sorry, but that's what I got to say. So I'm just going to write connect with me now because I want to chat with people. I like to talk to people and take the free tour. So I'm just going to say, let's talk live now, because that's what I like to do. And then literally I'm going to go to edit design. Now watch this. What color do we want this to be? Now see that blue in her shirt? This is something that's really cool, and I'm not sure how it's going to work, but let's just literally, oh, I got to move myself again. Sorry. Let's literally choose that color. Ooh, 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 ooh. See how that kind of works? I think the kid's face is hidden a little bit, but I could like change the font style. Watch this. You can change the font style. See what happens. Whoops. My computer's acting super slow lately because I got too much stuff open. Oh, that's nice. That kind of pops out. And watch, you can do text shading. It's black right now. But see when you start to spread that differently. I'm not the greatest either, but you can see how simple this is, guys. People, this is like crazy simple, okay? I mean, this system costs $50 a month. Anybody out there that's been marketing to build capture pages and have an email list and all that, I mean, I spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month for all this. So this is my main business tool to use to promote my Affiliate Works hybrid marketing system. So that's that, right? You would give the name, you would give the page a name. I'm just going to call it hybrid. Oh, I already got one of those. Hybrid 3. I built so many pages because they're so easy. And then I can see what's working. Saved it. Watch this. Just going to X out of that. Watch how quick. Okay, it's now 6:33. What was that? Just a few minutes and I've been talking. Go to my landing page builder. Grab this page. There it is. Look at that. Hot. Boom. Like that. Now watch this. Take that link. Come over here. Go into the tiny URL system. See all my URLs. Just so you know, this is real. I have like pages of them. This one is my hottest one, almost 2,700 hits. That's when I was actually promoting TCP as my business, and I was getting tons of, I had like 200 signups. I have an actual video on that, how I got 200 signups using this system in one weekend. It was super crazy. So I'm in my URL, add that, throw it in here, save it, boom, go back into my first page because it's always puts the latest ones first. There it is, get link, copy. Now it's a short, pretty link, throw on whatever site you want. There it is. So there's a super hot capture page. I can show you a few more of my super hot capture pages. Let's look at this one. This is actually my main funnel now with my hybrid system. Boom, look at that, freaking hot. Let me just show you a few more. I don't even remember what some of these are. I make so many and I just test them. Oh, this is when I went to Disney World. Check this out. This started more conversation than anything. I got like 6,000 views on a video. I'm going to Disney, right? I was making money while I was in Disney. So that was cool. What else do we have? This is, what did I do here? Oh, that's another hybrid page. Oh, I might promote this one again. I like it. I like it. And then watch this. You can literally go in and edit these. Edit. That one I didn't promote much. Oh, sorry. That's editing the tiny URL. To edit the pages, you got to be in the landing page builder. And here's, come on, load. There they are. To edit those pages, actually, I'm going to show you this one. I want to show you this because this was the coolest thing I did. I did a funnel within a funnel kind of system, giving people tips on each page, and then it brought them to a funnel. And actually, I want to edit that because I got new stuff to throw in there. But I called this one Drive. Step 2, drive, keep it going. So that was, actually, that wasn't the beginning of the funnel. The funnel was, I think, steps. I built so many of these. 3 steps to passive income, right? And each one, like, watch this. I'll just show you how this works. Boom, boom. Step 1's done. Brings you to step 2, motivation. Why are you here? What is your current situation? Da-da-da-da. Go to step 2. There's the drive page. And step 3, support, watch my video. This brings me to my hybrid marketing video. See? So there you go. And then check this out. I just got a lead because I showed you the page. My lead goes to, I gotta move this. This stuff is so freaking exciting. I mean, I love these tools. I might have to promote TCP again because it's so much fun. It's not my main business, but I just got paid today. And I don't know how many people I still have as members. So that's cool, right? Extra money. So what was I saying? I lose track because I get so crazy excited about all this stuff I do. I was going to show you how to edit. So you literally just click edit of whatever page you want, and it brings you back to the builder. And you can just edit whatever you want and save it, right? So if I didn't like the color, or go back to edit design, if I didn't like this red, I could make it bigger, smaller, change the font. Whoops. Play with the text shadowing, which maybe right there looks a little better anyways. Yes, save, it's saved, okay. And then the other thing I wanted to show you was, obviously, I just got an email saying I had a lead, which was my test lead. But to show you, I'm gonna go to home. And this site is so easy to navigate, and he's got videos everywhere. So, I mean, people that used to join this and say, show me how, like, seriously, just watch a few videos and figure it out, people. I just showed you how to build a page in minutes, and it's simple. And see, he's got videos that tell you how to set up your autoresponder. So these are all my contact lists. And you can message and do mail campaigns and everything in here, and edit them and have series. And if you decide to use TCP as your primary business again, he's got share codes, the owner, and he actually has all of these built. And you can see how many emails and opens and clicks I have. So some of my leads join later on. And again, this isn't even my primary business, and it's awesome. So if you actually want to promote this, go ahead. You'll make a ton of money. I'm doing Affiliate Works review. Oh, 615 views. Hey, my video's taken off. I just did this. Let me stop sharing my page. I can never figure out how to stop. Oh, there it is. So hope that helps you see how simple it is to build a page. If you're looking for tools like this to take your business to the next level, it's insane. You can also do webinars, and you can do videos. I've done video funnels and things like that. So it's crazy. And what else do I got? Just throw some comments in the bottom if you find value to this. And connect with me on Facebook if you have any questions, or if I can help you with anything. And sign up to my YouTube channel. I'd love more people. I got to grow that list. It's at like 8 people last time I checked. Come on, I need some subscribers. Give me some love. I'm here doing it, putting myself out there, right? Let's do this. I'm here to help people. I have built my downline exponentially over the past month. My commission checks are coming in, and I'm not a guy to sit here and wave cash around, whatever. I got an amazing, beautiful flipping house. This is just one room of my house that overlooks my balcony. And can you see my big pool out there? Yeah, my big swimming pool out there. Like, I'm doing good. Don't be a hater. Show me some love. Throw a comment down there. Be a subscriber. Watch some of my other videos, as corny as they are. I'll even throw my Instagram link down there. Connect with me there. I'm jumping off the pool and doing all kinds of crazy shit. So I hope this helps you, and I'll talk to you later. And keep putting yourself out there, people, and brand yourself, and do well in marketing, and capture leads, and have conversations, and give me a hit. All right, take care.